Where are we at?
Titan 2 site.
Titan 2 missile site abandoned.
Yeah.
Like destroyed, blowed up.
Yeah, they destroyed it. Yeah, I didn't know they lived in it.
Here we are. You didn't know they lived in it?
No, I just thought it was, they have like a shed here. They did duty and then they leave. I didn't know they actually had to stay underground.
Mm-hmm. And then this is how they got into the silo. And there's the silo.
And people are actually turning this part into houses?
Yeah.
Or is keeping this part as a house?
Probably both.
Okay.
I know I've seen on TV missile silos. They ran these from... This is the construction site right here, or the construction of it on the bottom. But we are here. We are standing on a fuel hard stand. That's what this big concrete pad is that Becky's standing on, and me. And the fuel hard stand was where they, right there, there's the other fuel hard stand right over there. But that's where they stored the fuel for the missile. So they ran them for like 21 years here. There was a missile here.
And it looked like a tanker.
Yeah.
A fuel tanker.
Yep, for fuel. Okay. And over here is a Titan 2
what it looks
missile with a mission. Yep, there it is right there. They also use these for the Gemini missions.
Says their timeline right here, baby.
Mm-hmm. Here's the timeline.
Till 2000. There's
the Titan 2 missile right there for the Air Force. Like I said, they also, I read where they use these for the Gemini 3 too.
1987, last Titan 2 missile retired.
1987?
Yep.
Looky here, here's where they all were at in the country. Them red dots.
Yeah. Oh, Little Rock.
Yep.
McConnell.
Davis Mountain Air Force Base and Vandenberg Air Force Base.
Huh.
That's what it looked like.
So we had 4 of them.
4 missile sites.
Yeah.
There was 18 around Tucson, which is right here.
Okay.
But they were somewhere on here. It says, oh, that's on the map down there.
Okay.
But there it is in the silo.
Thorns.
One of these times we'll get over to the silo, the missile museum, and actually see a missile in a silo. Control panel. There they are, loading the warhead up. And here it is, destroying the missile silo when they abandoned it.
Oh, wow. 4-person crews consisting of 2 officers and 2 enlisted members. They worked in shifts of 24 hours a day. Wow.
Yeah. Doesn't this one look like Ashton Kutcher?
Yeah. Except for his nose is kind of big. Thorns!
Okay, now over here is where it says...
Get up close. Watch, thorns.
Yeah. Over here is where each missile around Tucson was. Okay. See, you got...
The blue circles?
Yeah, all the blue circles are missile sites. There was 18 of them, it says on here. We're at this one.
Oh, wow. When we went to Tombstone, we went by a bunch.
Yep. Right off 10.
Ah, that's kind of cool, but kind of creepy. Ancient rock art.
Mm-hmm. That's the stuff that's in this forest. Yeah, we haven't seen a goat yet.
Probably just seen one of these. The Harris hawk.
Mm-hmm.
He was hunting.
And there's a couple little plaques over here.
Right.
This was about the silo.
I don't know if I could handle living underground like that.
That's what it looked like. Missile at the ready, Titan 2.
Right.
That big concrete door above it could be rolled out in 20 seconds. That is amazing. This is a view around. Well, hold on, she found another one.
We had an evacuation pod.
Oh yeah, that's the layout.
The hard antenna, the primary alternating system.
You'll see some of the remnants of this stuff out there.
Okay.
See, we're getting ready to take that white path around.
Okay. Control center. We're still here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. It's 2/10 of a mile.
Okay.
But over here is where the silo was. Right here. See where that plaque is? It says missile silo.
Yeah.
They have different ones out. But they blew it up. We'll get a better view without the sun on the other side. But let's walk around it. It's 2/10 of a mile around this trail. There's other little plaques as you go. Like I said, me and Scott came out here in the Samurai about a week ago.
You came up and I went forward.
Yeah.
That's why Becky wasn't in the pictures, because he wasn't thorns.
This is a hike around the missile silo. And if you look, there's going to be little plaques out there, like that little one that said missile silo.
Yeah.
And some of them outline the actual silo. And then the other one said like control module or something like that. We'll see it out here if I remember where it was. But beautiful view.
Birdies are playing.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful view. That's Marana off that way. Tucson's off that way. Very beautiful. And this is looking down at the missile silo. See right about there, if I'm hitting it, is another one of those little plaques outlining the silo. But I gotta admit, they did a very good job of restoring it back to its prior state. You cannot tell there was a
No, I wouldn't know it.
missile out there.
So did they do this to all the missile sites?
I'm not sure if all of them, because I've heard of people buying them. All right, here is an access porthole. Was right here to get into the living quarters. They had to go through 3 levels of stairs.
There was a plaque there, but it's gone.
Yeah, that plaque's missing. Straight out there.
So they go in through here.
Mm-hmm. Yep, right where we're standing.
Underground? I don't know. I like my sunshine.
Yeah?
Yep.
Look at that view. They had a great view though.
Yeah, but if they were down underground.
Before they went underground.
Yeah,
I mean, look at that. That is just very, very beautiful. Trying to keep the sun out. There's another plaque. All right, that one it says something different besides the missile. Okay, this is the control center. Oh, that's what that says. Right straight ahead of us out there is another little plaque where the control center was. But this is what it was, the control center. There's their
kitchen,
living quarters, the bedroom, and the work area.
I don't know, man.
Pretty cool.
Still creepy.
Pretty cool. But down there is where it was, where that little plaque is.
Okay. I'm not
Right there.
going down there.
Yeah.
Snakes. No.
Rattlesnakes and that are coming out dusk to dawn.
Yep. How are they?
And then over here is another plaque. Over that way.
Look at the top.
Now we're coming into Silver Bell Mine view. A lot of the buildings in that were here, we discovered. I'll show you. We gotta kind of watch for snakes.
Yeah, I'm watching.
But there's remnants of brick here. And there's brick right here.
Yeah.
They pushed a lot of it off into this wash right here. A lot of the bricks and that.
What?
And these, we're not real sure what these square holes was, but there's quite a few of them. And now we're coming up where the radio towers and that was.
Flowers.
Oh, and more flowers. Becky likes the
I
flowers.
forgot the
And she forgot to go bring the GoPro, but I'm not getting real close to that bush in case there's a rattlesnake or something in there. Look at these big old cactuses. Walk into that.
No.
Alright, now back over here. See the little concrete pads, dear? There's round ones out there too.
That was for the antennas.
Yeah. Radio antennas, that's what this one says. Right there. We are here. See, we're already almost almost around this thing.
Mm-hmm.
But right there, there's concrete out there. There's some interesting round ones out here. The rounds under UHF.
That's one of them.
Okay, here's one. Here they are. Here's one right here.
And then you have a primary alerting system.
And one right there.
And
Watching
then
for
the
snakes.
other circle would be the hard antenna 1.
Hard antenna 1.
And then when we go around, there will be another round circle that has the high frequency hard antenna.
Look at that. You can't even not tell that there was a missile silo there.
No,
See,
they're bringing it back.
they did really good bringing it back. I'll give them that. I don't remember what's up here.
Coming around to...
This is a pretty deep wash right here.
System soft antenna. I don't know what any of that means.
Oh, and there's a pole. Remnants of a pole right there. And there was another one of these earlier up the trail, but we walked by it. I forgot to point it out to you.
A pole?
Yeah, see the pole right there?
Maybe that's what the antenna.
Ooh, look at that spider web right there. I wonder what that is.
I'm not finding out. Honey.
Yeah, look how deep that wash is. Oh yeah, there's one right there too.
Yeah. I don't know if that's tarantula or what. I don't want to find out.
You want to go down there and look?
Oops.
Why not?
Nope, I'm not that adventurous.
Oh.
I probably could not get out of that wash fast enough if something was down there. There's a hole.
Yeah, I'm not sure what them are for. They look kind of relatively fresh, you know?
Yeah.
There is a couple more things left. I think the other fuel hard pad is up here. Yeah.
Okay. That almost looks like somebody might have been metal detecting.
I don't know. Like I said, they're kind of all over out here.
Yeah.
Look, there's another one right there. All right, there.
Yeah.
And a jumping cactus. Get over there and see if one jumps on you.
That's a teddy bear, chola.
Teddy bear chola. There's another one of them holes
Yeah,
too off to the
all
left.
nice and
There's another one of them holes too right there.
Ooh,
Yeah, I don't know what them are for.
I don't know, but they're all over. I just
Silver Bell Mine up that way.
look at the big. Oh, we had a bird watching us.
We had a bird watching us.
He was on top of cactus.
Over there where Bobby is.
More flowers.
Well, apparently there wasn't nothing on this side. Just a silo. Now the other fuel hard pad's right up here too.
There's another hole.
Another one of them holes. Yeah, I don't know what them are for.
Cactus growing in it now.
It's the first time we've ever been to, well, my second time now to this one.
Yeah.
But first time we've been to a missile silo out here.
Or at least knowingly, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm going to be looking for them other ones on the way to,
On 10.
yeah, on 10. But they did a really nice job back here.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's
Thorns.
an interesting one.
There's thorns.
And right up here is the other, what was that called? Fuel hard pad? Fuel hard pad? Where they parked tanker trucks there with the rocket fuel in them. Oh, they haven't bloomed yet?
No.
Oh. Come here and look. Okay. Let's look off that way while I'm walking this way. He said something's fixing to bloom over here.
Yeah, look. They're getting bloom.
Oh. Interesting.
Yeah, these are the flower pods.
There's a flower pot.
Yeah.
Big finger on there.
No.
All right, let's go to the fuel hard pad.
Look, look.
Hmm.
That'll get you.
Oh, I would be touching it. I'm gonna get poked by a cactus. What?
Okay, about packed you up.
Alright, here's the other fuel pad. Fuel hard pad, or, well, it'll tell us when we get there.
Oh, okay.
Hard stands. That's what it was, fuel hard stand. Loading the propellant. Yeah, dude loading the propellant. And then they would store it in the tanker truck sitting here too for maintenance. On the missile. Very cool. That pad over there. Yeah, there's nothing over there, so I don't know. There is another concrete pad over here, but it.
I didn't see a plaque.
Unless it's on one of these other maps and we didn't notice it. But there's nothing over here saying what it is. But there is another pad over here. It's probably on one of these boards and we just forgot what it is. There may have been one there. And also back here, there is, not where Bobby's parked at, but right over there where that sign is, that's handicapped parking. Right over in that area. So there is handicapped parking here. And again, look at that view. You know, right there. Nice concrete sidewalk. Now, from the handicap parking there's a sidewalk to this pad, but then after that, it's all gravel on that. But it's, you know, this gravel. Well, alrighty. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
I was playing with a lizard, sorry.
You was playing with the lizard?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Next adventure, huh?
Yeah,
It's just a parking thing, I think.
oh, okay.
Yeah, over there.
Alright, still cool.
Alrighty. We're off to some other place. We don't know yet.